just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I did my foot spa bags today as well. I'm down here in the Crafty Corner working it, y'all. So what I did was I took the bags and added the bottoms to the bags, and I used the onyx foot toe spacers with the bath salts, as well as the foot spa sets from Dollar Tree. The onyx came from Walmart after Christmas sale, and I paid about 30 cents for each one of those. And then I added a heart to them and put a few little decorations on the bag, as well as some shred down in there, just to give it a little pizzazz. So these are cute. They are very affordable and make nice gift concept. And this is all foot care, everything to do with the feet right here. I think these bags turned out really cute and will make nice gifts for those teens as well as some adults. I decided not to put candy in these, as all of my gifts will not have candy in them. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.